Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone from photos. If you are using any iPhone and you want to set live wallpaper from your Photos app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first setting you have to try to go to General, go to Software Update, and just try to update your software. So once you have updated your software, just simply go back, open your Photos app, and just select the live photo which you want to set as on your live wallpaper. So let's say I have this live photo here, and I'm gonna set it as my live wallpaper. Just tap on the share option, then tap on use as wallpaper. And now on the screen, you have to enable this play option here. If it's disabled, just enable this from here. Then tap on that option at the top right, and tap on set as wallpaper pair, and it will be set. And now go to your lock screen and enjoy your Leo live wallpaper. So in this way, you can easily set a live wallpaper from your Photos app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.